Qualifying for a personal loan may be more difficult if you work for yourself. Lenders may request your income documentation. Applying for a personal loan is still feasible if you work for yourself. If the lender requests further documentation, you can prepare it in advance. To get to the official website, follow the links in the description below. How a self-employed borrower might apply for a personal loan. The application process for a personal loan is unaffected mainly by self-employment. The documentation you'll need to show that you make enough money to repay the loan will be different. Typically, an application for a personal loan needs the following. Examples of personal information include your date of birth, social security number, citizenship status, and residential contact details. Financial details include monthly housing costs, debt commitments, annual revenue, and sources of income. Workplace details, such as your job position, employer of record, and duration of employment. Information about your loan request, including the intended loan amount and purpose. Applying for a personal loan pre-qualification with some lenders allows you to examine your possible loan rate and terms without undergoing a thorough credit search. This allows you to avoid a brief decline in your credit score while considering your options. Difficulties in obtaining a personal loan when working for yourself. When qualifying for a personal loan while working for yourself, there are a few common challenges to overcome. It is conceivable for your income to change. Your ability to pay your credit card and other obligations on time each month could be affected by this, affecting your credit score and payment history. Inconsistent revenue and business expenses may also lead to lower net profitability. It's critical to be sincere with yourself about the amount of new debt you can accept. Don't take out a loan that you can't afford to repay. Instead, think about the monthly payment. Some advice to improve your loan application. If self-employed people can provide lenders with adequate evidence of their income, they may be protected. This happens occasionally because working for yourself can create revenue fluctuations, so your annual income may only sometimes match what your most current bank statements show. You may not be able to qualify for a personal loan if you claim a lot of business costs because this will reduce your taxable income. If you cannot demonstrate that your salary is sufficient to be eligible for a personal loan, consider getting a co-signer or putting down collateral to support your loan application. Co-signed loans. A co-signer gives the lender another legally obligated party to repay the loan if you cannot make payments, which might strengthen the application for a personal loan. Select a co-signer with a high credit score, steady income, and a low debt-to-income ratio. If you co-sign with someone with a solid credit history, you could receive a cheaper annual percentage rate than if you tried to secure the loan on your own. While some lenders do not accept co-signers, others provide joint loans in which both borrowers can access the funds and are accountable for repayment. Secured loans. Some lenders offer secured loans, for which the borrower needs to put up an asset as security, usually a car or savings account. It may be easier for you to get permitted for a secured loan than an unsecured one since lenders know they can take possession of the collateral if you don't make payments. Best online lenders for self-employed personal loans. 50K loans. 50K loans distinguishes itself with various loan amounts $5,000 to $50,000 and long repayment terms 3 to 24 months. They provide competitive rates, possible rate breaks, and, in certain situations, same-day funding. They are suitable for consumers with outstanding or decent credit. 2. Heart Paydays. Heart Paydays is renowned for having possibly cheap interest rates and not charging origination costs on personal loans. A fantastic choice for those looking for cheap rates and having decent to outstanding credit. 3. Loan Raptor. Loan Raptor can serve borrowers with core credit minimum score of 600. Although their interest rates may be higher, they can be a viable choice for people who might not be eligible elsewhere. 4. Prestamos USA. Prestamos USA considers other information besides typical credit scores when assessing loan applications. Borrowers with good overall finances need more credit history to find this helpful. Also, Prestamos USA provides loans with a $1,000 minimum. 5. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans' primary feature is their pre-approved loans, which are available to both self-employed and salaried clients. Such a loan has an interest rate of up to $50,000, with a beginning point of 3.99%. Repayment terms range from 9 months to 36 months. How to pick the best personal loan for self-employed. Credibility of income. Many lenders verify the stability of both your place of employment and your residence before approving a personal loan for self-employment. Comparing offers and interest rates. Examine the interest rates offered by various lenders on personal loans. Recall that rates for independent contractors are typically greater than those for salaried workers. Furthermore, it affects how you and the bank are related. The bank where you have a savings account is often the first place ways to apply for a personal loan: a solid repayment history and credit score. One's chances of obtaining a reduced interest rate on personal loans are increased when one has a credit score of at least 750. If you are self-employed and have worked for the same company for at least 2 years, be ready to provide proof to lenders. Depending on your lender, having the following information on hand could strengthen your application: bills and records of the money you've been paid, your enterprise's webpage, printed copies of your business registration. You can still obtain a personal loan even if you last had a job a very long time ago. Just be aware that your lender will emphasize your income and creditworthiness even more. Conclusion: there are several reasons you might want to, or need to, take out a personal loan, whether you're managing gigs or a small business with staff. An unsecured personal loan offers a cheaper interest rate than a credit card. However, a secured loan has the lowest interest rate because you offer an asset as collateral. Regardless of your decision, borrowing money and making timely repayments can help you pay for expenses and build a strong payment history. Visit the official loan website via the links below. Thanks for watching.